Today, let's learn how to use only one remote controller to control 3 sets of lights. This is our new remote controller. There are 3 sets of lights, one light bar, one set of ports, and the other set of ports. There come with 3 remote controllers. One remote controller controls one set light, but today we can use only one remote controller controls 3 sets of lights. The number 1, 2, 3, 4, it means the different group. Group 1, we have copied this remote controller's programmed in it. 2 for this remote controller. Group 3 means this remote controller. Now let's turn on the lights. This is group 1 for light bar. Button A, turn on, turn off. Clicking OK button, change to group 2. Turn on, turn off. Change to group 3. Turn on, turn off. We can control all the lights together or separate control. Now turn on all the lights. Group 1. Group 2. Separate control. That's all.